Good afternoon and welcome back. I wanted to share this little journal with you that's part of a design team project that I'm doing for On a Whimsical Adventure. I have someone that I know who's fixing to have a grandchild, and I thought it might be fun to make a little baby book where she could write down sayings or advice or cute stories, things like that for the new baby. The trim on here is from Michael's, and it just slides off. This is Anya's paper. This is a little baby from Pinterest, but the little banner and all these other elements are from Anya's papers. So this cover is made from Kraft-Tex. It has a 7-hole pamphlet stitch, and it has another image that I've layered up on the back. The cover, I went ahead and stippled on some, well, I don't use Mod Podge, I use Deco Arts, Deco Page, matte medium, but similar thing. And then I sprayed it with a clear matte acrylic at the end so that you can wipe it off, things like that. So all of the papers in here in imagery, journaling cards are all from Mother and Child collection from On a Whimsical Adventure. The first page has some things clipped in here because we don't currently know if it's a boy or a girl, and these are all things from the kit. So you could glue these on later depending on which sex the baby is. I used a Fiskars punch for the little scalloped edge, and then the Martha Stewart slotted one for putting in the ribbon. I made some lined pages for this book with a couple of images from Pinterest. This little pocket has some stamped items in it. Little teddy bears from the Pinterest somewhere. This is a triple pocket, and I just put things that I had stamped out in there that could be glued on as a pocket or as some sort of embellishment. Then there's some little cards. And what I was going to suggest to the new grandmother is that these would be great places for her to write sayings or stories or whatever that could be tucked into the pockets, and then pictures of the baby could be included. Cards of congratulations and that kind of thing put in other spots. The center of both of the two signatures has a envelope made from some of the paper, and then these are just some of the journaling cards that are included with the kit. And then this little rose embellishment was part of the embellishments for the digital kit, and I just made it of a large enough size that I could punch it out with a 1-inch punch to make the closure. This image is part of the kit. These other papers are some parchment papers from Staples, the other side of that little pocket. This is some ribbon that I had marbled, and I just thought the soft pinks and greens and yellows that were in it went well with this, and I tied a little bow and then just glued it down. This is a transfer that you can put on any of the papers, and I just added it to this one. And this is also a little embellishment you can add with the little safety pins that I thought were precious. This is one of the embellishments from the kit. I just made it a 5x7 size and cut it out and applied it to this page, and then this picture can be pulled out, and you can use that to cut a photo of your choice to go in there. And that's just from Pinterest. Some more of that marbled ribbon. In this pocket, just some more of my stamping and another journal card. The other envelope with some more of those journal cards. And all I did here was is I took, I think it's called Salty Ocean, and I just went over the little thing that I had punched out of the same paper as the other one, but with that color so that it blended in with this sort of tealish color here, and then it fit. Otherwise it kind of clashed. Another stamped item, and I'll put the name of this set of baby stamps, baby sayings, the name of that kit in the description box below this video. And that's the end. So it's a sweet little book. It's not too large to overwhelm somebody who's already pretty overwhelmed with having a new baby in the family. And I hope that they appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoyed getting to see it. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.